Hi, I'm Tara Tillman from Westchester Realty, and I'm beyond excited to finally bring you the Transform Your Business by Becoming a HUD Listing Agent training. After so many of you asked for part 2 following how to become a HUD listing agent, I knew it was time. And yes, I'll admit, it's been long overdue. But trust me, it's worth the wait. This training is packed with the next level strategies and insider insights you've been waiting for to take your real estate business to new heights. Here's why this training matters to me personally. With over 20 years in real estate, I've listed it all: HUD, VA, USDA, and bank-owned REOs. Becoming a listing agent opened doors to consistent listings, commissions, and long-term client relationships. That's exactly why I created this course, to take the guesswork out, to show you the exact steps, to equip you with the strategies that actually work. This training is built from real experience, not theory. You're learning from someone who's been in the trenches, closed over 2,500 listings, and trained agents just like you on the HUD sales process. If you're looking to become a HUD listing broker, to tap into a consistent flow of inventory and income, this course will get you there. This isn't just another class. It's a blueprint for success. So if you're ready to take control of your business, stand out in your market, and finally feel confident in handling HUD transactions like a pro, let's get started. Your transformation begins now. Click the link in the description below and register today.